viewers and subscribers, I feel like say Masicka I go address Alkaline and tell him fans him say yo him be busy and rare, you see me, but right now him there feet, you see me? After Sumfest we not go hear a whole heap more tune. Yeah man, so if Alkaline want the lyrical clash him can get it from Masicka, you see me? Alkaline me I tell her right now and the fans them don't run. Tell Alkaline to stay in the war people, because right now me I tell you Masicka ready for Sumfest, you know, you see me? Knowing Masicka go on Sumfest, Masicka go, you see me? Masicka go make the people them know straight, say yo, him nah run from Alkaline and them boy they free. You don't believe me? Watch and see people, because I know Masicka go address the situation and the rumors we are going around, say him afraid of Alkaline and him a run from Alkaline and all type of bull crap. You get me? I say Masicka a young general in a dancehall. You see me? I say, and the whole Jamaica same way. I talk about Masicka. And at home, same way I talk about Masicka, because Masicka do it for the people and for fans.
Friday night,
you see me? I say,
he go see it, son.
now hold on the artist thing, you see me? Real, you can't do that.
It's not a prank or
People
anything
are
like
when
that.
they need
You know what I mean?
glasses
'Cause that
to
can
say
tamper with
Masicka
the
ready for
Alkaline.
Alkaline.
Remember,
Anytime.
conscience.
Yes, my
Come
viewers and
on this-
subscribers, let me
and
drive
this
back on the
same stage and
remember
introduce
the
Masicka.
interview
So for
with
me, get up and say you're rude,
Winford
might look
Williams
ungrateful.
and
You see me I say? So it's
Masicka
not a
on
prank.
stage when Masicka
More people
make
understand
Winford
that there wasn't any
Williams
loyalty.
the
But you
full
did
thousand
do
like
a
one,
diss
you see
song,
me?
didn't you?
Yeah,
Dissing
man,
the
from
man.
them time,
Yeah, man, we do a diss song for the
And
man.
Conscience as well.
No.
In that one.
No.
You wasn't
You
dissing
don't know.
Conscience not in it?
Bigger name in a dance.
Okay,
Alright,
so-
we never diss Conscience.
Yeah. But
Conscience.
he's mentioned in the song.
Switch
Yeah.
for only
But
artists.
you're deliberately dissing
The Marco.
the Marco.
The Marsha.
Conscience switch for
Alright.
only
The
artists and
Marsha
start
did
power
that
with
this
the
song
artist enemy.
for the entire
You see me?
subconscious.
Jag me a jag back on
You
the
see me?
movie, man.
Right as
Check
I
it out,
was
man, you
about
see
to
me?
leave. Then I mean, when this me,
Masicka
call me
Winford
So,
interview.
you don't know my thing
see me?
as a street artist.
Oh, so he was going after the entire subconscious
Yeah.
crew.
Anyone of them.
Yeah.
And you
So,
take offense
with
because
all
you
that
were
being
then
said,
a part of
people,
Yeah.
subconscious.
So me
we
defend the
know
thing.
for facts
You see me?
Masicka
And show the marker say, him not
something
lyrically
on
better than
stage
Masicka. No time.
to
Same call up your name in
Yeah, so you just have to
Masicka
straighten it
now
out and make
go
him know,
to
say,
Alkaline. Or Masicka
you're
now
smart,
go answer
you're
Alkaline.
lyrically. You know,
You see me? Masicka
reach
will
that
answer
level
Alkaline
there yet
because
lyrically.
Masicka
So it sounds like you could take on a
You see
clash
me?
at Sting.
Masicka for the ghetto
Yeah,
people
man,
and
right now.
You would?
way.
Right
You see me?
now.
All of you them
Yeah?
out there also.
Right.
So
no.
if
And
I know
struggle
Conscience
same,
wouldn't
you
be
see
in a
me?
clash.
Yeah, Alkaline
Nobody,
the same.
nobody
Move
would.
the clash conscience still.
Okay, so but if the
Masicka
mark
thing
already,
rough,
you
brother.
would do a clash
me?
with him?
Right, no, right on stage, right here, so right
Laugh,
now.
you see me?
Really?
Right, yes, sir.
Now, say big up to Masicka, see me, you see me?
The mark of the call is
Big
out
up
for
to
you,
Alkaline,
sir.
see me?
So this time of the year, the whole out
Something to make me know
sick.
how the things still
I
is.
know,
me?
sir.
Every man want clash, every man
I
have
feel like say
enemies.
Masicka go
Is it
answer
so-
Alkaline.
What is it that
All
makes
right.
you
A
also
Sumfest.
clashing?
Officer
Remember, I
sitting
know,
on the stage
over the years, you see the
fans them.
the
Alkaline,
veteran, I mean, and
I
we feel like
try
that's
to
one of
say
the
or whatever.
problem. The dancer music, that's
Masicka
the
go
culture,
answer
and it roots. You see me, I say, we never say we're going to get up and kill nobody. And music.
So you think clash can bring it back?
Because when this war
but the
start,
people
you not going to
music
stop,
boring
you know.
right now.
You know
You know
that
what I
for
mean? And
sure, you know. Yeah,
the
man.
people, them
Anytime
want to see some,
Masicka
the
start,
people, them want to see
or
some
Masicka for
entertainment
answer
right now.
Alkaline.
Artists,
How
Hey,
do
this
you
tune,
control the
you
inevitable?
not going to stop, you want
Violence
just start
comes
people.
with
Tell me, I tell
Alright,
you
if
that
you're free,
straight. No joke.
history and pre the music, you know. You never really have no artists are dead over clash or nobody are shoot nobody.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So people for just understand that entertainment at the end of the day and me get up and do this song for the marker. It not gonna really benefit my career in any way. You know what I mean? But him do this song and me know personally the marker, no bad lyrically, nowhere near bad lyrically. You know what I mean? The marker try the vibes cartel. So we have to just get up and straighten it out and make him know say. Big up God every time, man. No demon to the thing, man. Yeah, man.
You know that demon?
No, man, what kind of demon?
So you know
man?
rate family?
Me rate every artist.
Yes.
From you do the music,
You rate it.
and you
But
love
know
dance.
into the demon
Yeah,
thing.
but me not in the fooling issue them, you know. A joke thing them a do, a circus them out.
Yes, give me a comment because you sound very outspoken right now. Give me a comment. Comment for me on. So you just commented on Tommy Lee. Comment for me on Alkaline. What about Alkaline? What's your view on Alkaline? You don't rate him? You rate
Personally,
him?
Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact that him live in a Vibes Cartel shadow and him a try be Vibes Cartel.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And him still now come and say him a try be Vibes Cartel. As I say, me no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing him when him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth we grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me really I go get up and real for. You know what I mean? Because we're a street youth.
Gage?
Clown, man. Them I tell you, as I tell you, a circus still. Because Gage a clown, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, well, I don't know. So what if he wants to clash you? The both of you are on sting. If he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Winford, right now. On
Really?
that stage, right, yes, sir.
So wait a minute here now. So we didn't put you in the mix when Alkaline is outstanding?
Afraid, man.
Wow. How has it affected your career?